If you're having trouble printing with the Brother MFCJ1010DW, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the print heads on the Brother MFCJ1010DW. We are going to be using the best printers cleaning kit linked down in the description below. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, getting started. The first thing we need to do is click Settings, General Setup, Maintenance, Improve Print Quality, and then select Improve Print Quality for white lines. Then we're going to select the right arrow. The printer should now print off a print quality check. With this report, you're going to be able to see what colors are printing and not printing. Now, your report may look different. You may be missing a specific color or printing blank pages. Either way, this method is going to work with the best printers cleaning kit. Again, linked down in the description below. We are now going back into the settings and repeating that step-by-step process to print off a quality check, except for this time, while it's printing, we are going to actually unplug the printer. This is very important because this allows for the print head to be in an unlocked position, which is exactly where we want it. We want it to be unlocked so that we can begin working on it. Now I'm going to remove the paper that was going to be printed, and so we do that by letting down the back paper tray and removing that piece of paper. Okay, so now you will see that the print head is fully in an unlocked position and we can begin working on it now. Step number one is we want to get a folded up piece of paper towel. Any paper towel will do that you have in the kitchen or in the garage. And now once you have that prepared, before installing it, we actually need to remove the ink cartridges. Now these ink cartridges do need to be replaced with new ink, linked down in the description below. Essentially why you need to do that is because this process is going to use a lot of ink and probably drain all of the ink that you have in the system, so you need new ink to replace that. Here is the best printers cleaning kit, again linked down in the description below. This is the only kit that you will need to solve your print head issue and get you back to printing normally again. All your colors back 100% at capacity. Now what you're going to be getting in the box with the cleaning kit is instructions. So you can follow these instructions along with the instructions in this video. But why don't we get started? We are now going to place fluid in the syringe. And we do that by actually suctioning that fluid in. You can suction in 20 milliliters at a time. Now you don't need any attachments actually with this printer model. What you do need though are some pliers. So I will be linking some pliers down in the description below. If you have some in your garage, that's excellent. They just need to be needle nose pliers that are skinny enough to fit in there, and you'll see that here in just a moment. We are now jumping over to our paper towel, and this is where we need to actually fold the paper towel enough so that it will fit under the print head. Fitting this under the print head is fairly simple. Make sure you're using gloves when you're doing this. There are some included in the kit, and basically you're going to make sure that the paper towel is able to fit under the print head. So you're sliding the print head over while you're kind of moving that paper towel under, and you're getting it totally under the print head. Once that is the case, now we can move on to actually using our needle nose pliers with our cleaning kit. I'm going to be showing you how to position the nozzle that is on the syringe with your needle nose pliers. So you're just fitting it in like that. Make sure that you don't press too hard on those pliers because you can rip this silicone tubing, but essentially this is how you're getting this onto the nozzle. So the nozzle that you want to clean is the one of the color that's missing on your report. So for me, all of the colors are missing. I'm going to be doing a general cleaning. If you only have one color missing, let's say it's yellow, you're going to be cleaning yellow. If it's actually black, you're cleaning black. If it's multiple colors, or if it's all the colors, then you're cleaning all the colors or multiple colors. You're pushing about 10 to 15 milliliters through each color. And basically this fluid is going to be being pushed out onto that paper towel that is under the print head. So you're going to want to swap that out once you've reached about 30 to 40 milliliters of pushed solution. If you're doing an entire cleaning, you may need 3-4 paper towels, and I would have some extra paper towels on the side as well. If you're only cleaning one color, you really don't need to swap out the paper towel, and this is going to be really simplified for you. And I really would just use 20 milliliters all in one go, and then maybe do another 10 milliliters just to be sure. And as you can see here, this is how the paper towel is going to look. Don't put everything back together and install and plug everything back in just yet. We're not done with this portion. So we're removing this paper towel. It's going to be soaked with ink. This is how it should look once you've pushed out all of that ink onto it. Now we want to actually use the needle nose pliers to dry off the compartment in there, the ink nozzles, before you reinstall ink. And remember, you do need new ink. Even if your previous ink cartridges you believe still have ink, I would still swap these out with new ink cartridges. Okay, so before you install the new ink, you want to wait 24 hours before you power on or install new ink. So a 24-hour waiting period, that is very important before you actually hit the power button again to restart with new ink. But once you do, you're going to go back into the settings and you actually need to select print head cleaning, not improve print quality. Now you may need to use those settings 3, 4, 5 times before you actually get to the point where you are fully printing back to normal again. Now I hope this video ended up being helpful. There are additional resources past this video if this did not work for some reason. Keep watching until the very end of the video so I can give you that additional information. But remember the product links that are down in the description below. The very first link will be to the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. That is the kit we used in this video. And there will also be a link to some new Brother MFCJ1010DW ink. It is possible that what is linked down in the description below will be remanufactured ink, and that is going to be a lot less expensive for you and the exact same functionality as Brother ink. But I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. If you followed all of the instructions in this video and you still are not getting 100% quality from your printer, then you will need additional support. I do have an additional support membership that is linked down below this video. I encourage you to sign up for the membership. You will get additional support videos that will take you through the entire process and give you advice on what to do if you're not able to actually fix your printer. But I'm confident that if you watch those videos and your printer is repairable, you will be able to fix your printer. Now, if you were able to solve your problem, then congratulations. Make sure to check out one of these 2 videos that are here on the screen. Thank you for watching, and until next time.